What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Solana, which has pumped up today. As you can see, nearly 10% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $26.26. So where is it heading to next? As you can see, the pump was literally in the last 2 to 3 hours, where it went from just about $25 all the way up to $26, and it's still ongoing. So how high is it going to go? Can it hit $30 anytime soon? Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it? Or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term, looking at is it worth investing into in 2023. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is up just under 2% in the last 24 hours, and we've got Solana as one of the top gainers. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 5%, which is quite good. As you can see, $1.29. Over the last day, just about 9%. Over the week, 4%. Even though it has been very volatile, it has taken a slight drop down to about $22 earlier on this week, and then peaked back up in value. As you can see, it's been very volatile, but more or less has been maintaining its value. And over the month, a massive 180% in a single month, guys. So far 2023 has been performing very well for not just Solana but the crypto market in general. As you guys can see here, Bitcoin has also hit 23.6k nearly, guys, which it hasn't touched in a couple of months, and yes, finally touching that target, nearly hitting 24k. So yeah, so far 2023 has been good, and hopefully we can maintain that for the rest of the year as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 28% in the last 24 hours, making it $760 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money currently being traded on Solana. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, especially after the pump that has been going through over the last 4 weeks. We are definitely going to see a lot of people investing into the crypto, and also a lot of people selling it, taking out their profits. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Solana, which is $22.93. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here at $26.31 in green, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish and looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is expected over the next couple of hours. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting a minimal increase on Solana, potentially hitting about $27 just about. Again, do expect dips, guys. Again, the lines are looking very steep, meaning it's not realistic, but I'm expecting a little drop in value on Solana, potentially down to about $25 to $26 over the coming hours, and then pumping back up to $27 by midday tomorrow. Early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Solana to be hitting the $27 mark. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, still looking bullish, very positive, but once again, it is looking quite steep, meaning it is not realistic. However, yes, I'm expecting once again an overall increase in value on Solana over the coming days. So let's say by the end of next week, so over the next 7-8 days, I'm expecting Solana to be heading towards a $30 mark by the end of next week. However, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's dropping, green days when it's pumping, but it just means that green days are going to overtake the red days. So an overall increase in value is what is expected from Solana towards the end of next week, hitting just about $30. So Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We've got the orange line flat out going in a straight line, it's not looking bullish or bearish, and we got the blue line looking slightly bullish, just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks from Solana. So let's say by mid to late March 2023, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting an overall increase in value on Solana, and potentially we should be heading towards the $45 to $50 mark by the end of March. Again, yes, I know it seems like it's a major increase in value. However, if the crypto market manages to perform like it has been performing over the last 4 weeks, as you guys can see here, it has gone up 180% in a single month, and it doesn't even need to go 180%. Even if it goes for 100% increase, it can easily hit the $50 mark. So hopefully we can maintain this green side. Again, I'm not saying we're not going to have red days at all. Of course we are going to have red days when it's going to drop, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Solana by mid to late March 2023. Hitting around $50 is what my expectations are. But yeah, again, this may depend on any crashes or major bull runs or price pump that goes on in the crypto market. But again, anything like that, I will keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and by mid-year I am expecting us to just about hit the resistance target of $64 and potentially head into the green zone in the second half of the year, heading towards the $100 mark. And again guys, as I mentioned in the thumbnail, $200 by the end of the year is definitely possible from Solana, depending on how it performs for the rest of the year. But again, if we do manage to stay on the green side and keep heading upwards, then yes, we should be able to hit $200 by the end of the year. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure Solana can hit in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. At the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not help me out? And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.